What's up, guys? So I found this stuff that you perform survey 2M. But first, let's check out the app. What we need to do is to open the app and see if it's available in our area. So it's not available. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to settings. Not in available in our area, right? Let's go to settings. And the next thing we want to do is our VPN should be on. And if you have premium subscribe VPN, or you can use Windscribe, it's free. Well, I use my VPN. The next thing I want to do is to port to a location. Okay. After doing that, next thing you want to do is you go back. Okay. So once you search for this, you make sure your VPN is on. This is the survey app. So make sure your VPN is on. And if you do not see it available in your region, then I think you have to search on the website. And to get this done, you have to sign up using the website. But if this is available on your app, then you have to install it. Remember that I have my VPN turned on. So the next thing I have to do is I'll click on install. While doing that, remember I turned on my VPN. You could come here and click always on VPN, because if you actually sign up without turning up your VPN, then you know that you're done for. So we go back to this. Make sure your VPN is on. And when you're done, it's currently installing, right? While doing this, make sure to turn off your location. Okay? Make sure to turn off your location. Next thing you have to do is you would click on sign up. Let's check for this. Okay. Sign up. Okay, which here we burn. So actually fill this stuff. Now, in order to complete this, I'm going to okay. So we are trying to get a zip code. Okay. So next thing you do is you actually input email address here. question. You copy the verification mail sent and input it. Now, once it's done, can you see that we've signed up? It doesn't take time. You click on Go to Account, and your account is ready. So this is how you take survey and you earn money. Once you're done, you set up your account and you're good to go. Once you come here, you click on this place to fill in your personal details. You click here to edit your profile. You click here to check your history. Click here, and to change anything about setting, go to Settings. And make sure your VPN is always on. VPN means virtual location. So once you're done with this, you either cash out through PayPal or gift card. If you're in a country that requires you use PayPal, then you have to cash out with your PayPal. But if you're in a country that PayPal is not existent, then you have to use gift card to cash out. This is how to make money by surveys, and it varies. The points varies depending on your location. So I think I'm going to take you through how to do the first survey here. Okay, so let's do the first survey. Research starts now. Okay. Now, which of these topic would you like to answer today? You select the topics you actually love to answer. You can select health, these, or anyone. Personally, for me, I would love to go with business today. Okay? Over the years, over the past year, do you think the wages for average American people have increased? You can copy this answer and come here. Help me answer this question. Okay, have you seen? So, this stuff gave me increase a little. Okay. You now come here, copy again. Copy. Go back here and write also do this. No. So I'll come back to this place and write the answer I was given here. No, whoa, investor. Now, you copy it again. You click here and say do same here. You go back, copy, and go down again, copy, come back, and also select all. Okay. You come here and you can see this how to use AI to do survey based on what you like. Stocks, ETFs, real estate, ETF, real estate, and US bonds. So you click next. Do you think in the future you do same? So that's how to answer this survey. And once you get your accumulated points, you actually cash out through PayPal and our gift card. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe if you got some value. Thank you.